Hi, I'm Cheryl Dorskind, also known as Professor Dorskind, and I am going to show you how to create a contact sheet using Adobe Adobe Bridge. We're using CS6. So we're all on the same page, literally. Let's all go and get into the same workspace. I like the preferred panel because I have a nice big preview screen. And we're going to go to Pictures. And I am working with one of my college classes now, so we're going to go to the Art 145 folder we've created in Pictures. And let me show you a little shortcut. You can take this folder, hold it down and drag it. See the little plus sign? Release. And now that folder is listed as one of our favorites, so you don't ever have to go through Pictures to find the files. We're going to go to Photolab Assignments. We're going to Photolab Assignments 1. We should have already uploaded our images, and we are going to select them all. Now, you can select by going to Edit, Select All, or you can use the shortcut, which is Command-A, and select them all. So again, it's Command-A. Why don't you jot that down? It's a great thing to remember. Now with all the images selected, I'm going to go up top here on the left to this little paper icon, and you'll notice the word Output. I'm going to click on it, Output to Web or PDF, and notice how my screen changes to a different workspace. We are going to create a PDF, so I'll click on the PDF. And let's go through the menus now so you can create the PDF the way I would like you to create them. Normally this defaults to international paper, so change it to US paper if you're here in the United States. We'll use letter size. We'll use a quality of 300 ppi and 100% quality as well. And while you can choose whatever color you wish for the background, I like a white background for the contact sheets and also wastes less ink. I prefer 5 and 5. That's how I would like you to create them. And leave all these other numbers to auto default. Leave these 3 boxes unchecked. Over here on the overlay panel, you're going to change your font. I'll use Arial, and I'll change the font size to 6. There's no reason to have bigger file sizes than 6. We'll keep it black as the type font. We will place a footer on the right. Getting the spinny wheels, so bear with me. We're going to put the page number on the footer, which will be on the bottom, and we're going to put it on the right, and it can be in regular 6-point font Arial as well. I'm going to ask you to add a header, center it. I put my own name plus photographies, Cheryl Machat Dorskind Photography, and here I pick a font that is my logo font, but you can pick whatever font you would like and make it 12-point black. We're going to center it. I prefer the header than the watermark. The watermark further down here will actually move around all the images, and I don't think that's a good idea. So now we're back over to the footer panel, which we already had added. So we'll continue going down, skip playback, skip watermark, and keep going down to the bottom, and the last thing you will access is View PDF. Check this so you can see it when you're done, and then you're going to get to the Save box. Now you'll come to a Save As box. You may have a screen that looks like this. So all you do is simply click this little arrow, and you get a bigger screen, and you're going to save it. And my instructions for my class is last name underscore assignment, which is favorites, underscore contact sheet, the PDF extension will save automatically. Make sure you're in the right folder, which is Pictures, Photolab, Assignment 1, and here's where we're going to save it. Now the PDF will be generated, and in just a moment you'll also see it drop into the content film strip down below here. This is taking a little longer than yours will probably take because I do have some raw files in here and they take longer to process. So just be patient, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Contact sheets are a great way to review your images and see in a snap what's the best, what pops out. Sometimes you can't do that when reviewing on your computer screen because sometimes all the images look great. So let's wait a moment longer and let me show you what a contact sheet looks like. And you will be creating these for each assignment. And for those watching who are not in my class, this is a great tool to have for you to help edit your photos and to keep a record of what you have been working on. And here we go with the PDF. And da-da-da-da. You'll notice it's down in my contact panel, and here is the PDF, which I can then print out and look, and I'll see in a snap which picture is the best. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial, and I will see you again soon.